everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Debapriya, and in today's video we're going to practice spoken English using simple daily routine sentences. This is one of the best ways to speak English fluently by using real life everyday sentences you actually need. I'll say each sentence slowly, you listen, pause the video and repeat. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with what you do in the morning. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I leave for work at 9. Great job. These are simple but powerful. They help you build confidence. Now let's talk about your work or school day. Repeat after me. I reach the office by 10. I check my emails. I attend meetings. I complete my tasks. I take a lunch break at 1. I talk to my colleagues. I work until 6 in the evening. I return home by 7. You can also change these based on your routine. If you're a student, you could say, I go to school by 8. I attend my classes. I study with my friends. I come home in the afternoon. What do you do after your work or school? Let's practice your evening routine. I relax for a while. I take a short nap. I go for a walk. I watch TV or listen to music. I help with household chores. I eat dinner at 8. I talk to my family. I go to bed by 10 or 11. Practicing these helps you describe your daily life easily in English. Now let's combine these into full sentences. You can practice talking about your day like this. Example 1. Hi, I'm Neha. I wake up at 6, get ready and go to office by 9. I work until 6, then relax at home. Example 2. My name is Arjun. I'm a student. I study at a college in Mumbai. I wake up early, attend classes and spend my evenings reading or watching YouTube. Try creating your own version in the comments and I'll correct you if needed. Before I go, here are a few quick tips to help you practice daily routine sentences and improve your English quickly. Speak in front of a mirror. Record yourself and listen back. Talk to a friend or family member in English. Practice 5 to 10 sentences every day. Use English while doing daily tasks like cooking, walking or cleaning. Remember, the more you use English, the more natural it will feel. That's it for today. I hope you practiced along and learned something useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time.